Did you know that 70% of marketers are actively investing in content marketing? What exactly makes this strategy so compelling? Let's delve into the essence of content marketing and its pivotal role in the digital marketing landscape. Content marketing isn't just about bombarding your audience with random pieces of information. Rather, it's a sophisticated strategy aimed at creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. Why? To attract and engage a clearly defined audience, and ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. Think of content marketing as the art of storytelling where your brand is the protagonist. It's about weaving narratives that resonate with your audience, encouraging them to see your brand as a part of their own story. This strategic approach helps build brand awareness, fosters engagement, and enhances conversion rates. It's not just about reaching people, it's about connecting with them on a meaningful level. Clearly, content marketing is more than just creating and sharing content. It's a strategic approach to attracting and retaining a clearly defined audience. So, what are the essential elements that make content marketing successful? First and foremost, let's delve into audience targeting. Understanding who your audience is not just about demographics. It's about getting into the nitty-gritty of their needs, their challenges, and how they consume content. Are they busy professionals looking for quick reads or detailed researchers who prefer in-depth reports? By identifying and understanding your audience, you can tailor your content to speak directly to them, making it more engaging and effective. Moving on, the art of content creation is where the magic happens. This isn't just about crafting well-written articles or eye-catching graphics. It's about producing content that provides value, answers questions, and solves problems. Whether it's an informative blog post, a captivating video, or an insightful podcast, the key is relevance and quality. It's about creating content that not only attracts, but also retains attention, turning visitors into followers and followers into customers. Then, there's the critical role of distribution channels. Where does your audience hang out? Are they scrolling through Facebook, LinkedIn, or perhaps catching up on their favorite blogs? Choosing the right platforms to distribute your content is crucial. It's about making sure your content is seen by the right people at the right time. Effective distribution means aligning your channels with your audience's habits, maximizing your content's reach and impact. Lastly, we cannot forget about metrics for success. Content marketing isn't just about publishing and hoping for the best. It involves tracking performance and analyzing data. How many views, shares, or downloads did your content receive? What's the engagement rate? These metrics are indispensable as they guide your future content strategies, helping you to refine and optimize your efforts. Master these elements, and you're well on your way to crafting content that resonates with your audience. Let's dive into some real-world examples to see how top brands are hitting the mark with content marketing. First, let's talk about a leading tech company known for its cloud storage solutions. This company turned its blog into a powerhouse of information, focusing on educating its audience rather than just selling products. By consistently publishing insightful articles on data security and efficiency, they not only established themselves as thought leaders, but also saw a 30% increase in their customer base within a year. The key? Offering value that goes beyond their services, making their blog a go-to resource for industry knowledge. Transitioning from tech to fashion, consider a popular athletic wear brand that revolutionized its approach with Instagram stories. This brand used short, engaging videos featuring everyday athletes to showcase their products in action. By highlighting the functionality and fashion of their apparel and integrating user-generated content, they created a narrative that resonated with their audience. This strategy not only increased their followers by 45%, but also boosted online sales by 25% during the campaign period. Their success underlines the importance of relatable and visually appealing content in driving consumer engagement and sales. Now, let's look at a small but mighty example from the food industry. A local coffee shop used content marketing to transform its business during a challenging economic climate. By posting daily stories about their ethically sourced beans and the farmers behind them, they connected with their community on a personal level. They also offered barista tips and behind-the-scenes looks at coffee making, which increased their social media engagement by over 50%. More importantly, it led to a noticeable increase in foot traffic and a 20% rise in sales. These examples show that with the right strategy, Content marketing can lead to remarkable success across any industry. Whether it's through informative blogs, engaging social media stories, or compelling behind-the-scenes content, the power of well-crafted content marketing is undeniable in connecting with and expanding your audience. Knowing your audience is one thing, but knowing how to grab their attention is another. In the vibrant world of content marketing, the type of content you choose can make all the difference. Today, let's dive into some of the most engaging content types and understand why they resonate so well across various platforms. First up, blogs. These are not just digital diaries, but powerful tools for in-depth exploration of topics. They excel on websites and search engines, where SEO plays a critical role in visibility. Blogs can establish authority and provide valuable information that keeps readers returning for more. Transitioning from text to visuals, we encounter the dynamic world of videos. Videos are incredibly effective on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. They have the power to convey complex information in an engaging and easily digestible format. Whether it's a tutorial, a behind-the-scenes look, or a story-driven piece, videos are known to boost dwell time and encourage social shares. Next, let's talk about infographics. These are perfect for data-heavy content that might be overwhelming in pure text form. Infographics transform statistics and data into visually appealing content that's easy to understand and share, making them favorites on platforms like Pinterest and LinkedIn. Moving on to podcasts, a format that has seen a meteoric rise in popularity. Podcasts are a fantastic way to reach an audience during their commute, workout, or while they unwind. They foster a unique connection with listeners, providing a blend of entertainment and information that's accessible without requiring visual engagement. Each of these content types has its own strengths depending on the platform you choose. Blogs and infographics are superb for driving traffic from search engines and enhancing understanding with visuals, respectively. Videos engage users by capturing and retaining attention with moving visuals and sound, while podcasts create a personal bond through ongoing audio engagement. Ultimately, the key to successful content marketing is not just creating content, but creating the right type of content. Choosing the right type of content for your audience and platform is crucial for engaging and retaining customers. As you craft your strategy, consider these options carefully to maximize impact and foster meaningful connections with your audience. Content marketing is constantly evolving. What are the latest trends that are shaping the future? As we delve into the dynamic world of content marketing, it's clear that personalization is leading the charge. Today, brands are pushing beyond generic content to offer tailored experiences that resonate deeply with individual preferences and behaviors. By leveraging data analytics and consumer insights, marketers can craft content that feels bespoke, increasing engagement and loyalty. Moving forward, the integration of artificial intelligence in content creation is not just a trend, it's a revolution. AI tools are now capable of generating creative text, insightful data analysis, and even realistic images that can captivate an audience. This technology not only streamlines the content creation process, but also opens up new avenues for creativity and experimentation. Interactive content is another trend gaining momentum. From quizzes and polls to interactive videos, this type of content invites the audience to participate rather than just consume. The result? A more engaged audience and a richer, more memorable user experience. Interactive content not only entertains, but also educates, making it a powerful tool for marketers aiming to increase time spent on their digital platforms. Furthermore, the call for sustainability and authenticity in content messaging is louder than ever. Consumers today demand transparency and ethical practices from brands, and they can see right through insincere commitments or greenwashing attempts. Content that communicates genuine sustainability efforts and authentic brand stories resonates more strongly with audiences, fostering trust and loyalty. In conclusion, the landscape of content marketing continues to evolve, driven by technological advancements and changing consumer expectations. Brands that embrace these trends, personalized content, AI integration, interactive experiences, and a commitment to authenticity and sustainability, are well-positioned to stand out and connect more effectively with their audiences. Staying ahead of these trends can give you a competitive edge in your content marketing efforts. Ready to start your own content marketing journey? Here's how to get started. First, clearly define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving more traffic, or generating sales, having clear objectives will guide your content strategy. Next, understand your audience. Dive deep into their interests, challenges, and pain points. This knowledge allows you to create content that resonates and provides value, making your brand a go-to resource. Now, plan your content mix. Will it be blogs, videos, podcasts, or a combination of formats? Each type has its strengths, so choose the ones that best match your audience's preferences and your goals. Then, create a content calendar. This keeps you organized and ensures a consistent flow of content, which is key to keeping your audience engaged and attracting new followers. Finally, measure and adjust. Use analytics to track the performance of your content. See what works and what doesn't, and tweak your strategy accordingly. With these tools and techniques, you're equipped to create compelling content that converts.